this question, it says, which of the following describes the end behavior of the function? And it says to check all that apply. So first, your end behavior is determined by your degree. And remember, your degree is the highest exponent. So we have a degree here of 5. So I'm going to write this down. Then next, you're looking for your leading coefficient. So our leading coefficient here is -1. Now, we don't really care about as far as, what the number is. We just want to know, is that number positive or negative? So since the leading coefficient is -1, then we know that it is negative. Now, with this in mind, if you have a degree that's odd, then that means that the ends of your graph, they're going to go in opposite directions. So if one end's up, then the other one's down. And then, of course, if the other end's down, the other end's up, right? So then if it's negative, you kind of think about a linear function and how with a negative slope that the left end is actually up and your right end is down. So if you had to go through and kind of graph this, you would refer to a linear function that has a negative slope, because notice the ends are going in different directions. So this end is up while this end is down. And then also you are taking care of the part where it's being negative. So you're starting with that left end up, the right end down. So now you're ready to write your end behavior. So you would say as x approaches positive infinity. So positive infinity would be to the right. Then notice how we are going down. So that's going to be choice D. Now let's talk about negative infinity. So as we are going to the left of 0, so I'm going to go to the left this time. So here are my negatives. Notice that this end is going up. So now I'm looking for negative infinity and then up. So here we go. So my answer for this is going to be C and D. And then that's it. If you haven't followed us already, make sure you follow us for more. We will see you next time.